In this quick video, I'll show you how you can synchronize your bookings from Clustermarket into your personal Apple calendar. All you have to do on Clustermarket is simply go to My Dashboard and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Below the calendar, you will find the calendar subscription link, which you can click on and then activate the toggle so you get the link on the right side. Then you need to copy this link and go over to your Apple Calendar. In Apple Calendar, at the top, click on File, then click on New Calendar Subscription, and then paste the URL you have just copied from Clustermarket. Then after clicking on Subscribe, you will be able to name your calendar. You can decide on any color you want. And you can also, importantly, set the auto refresh to wherever you want it to update. So usually people like to see the bookings they do on Clustermarket right away into an external calendar. So I'll do every 5 minutes in this case because Apple allows it. And then I'll just click OK. After that, you should see all your bookings straight away into your Apple calendar. So you can now see them in orange. And if you click on it, you should be able to see not only the name of the equipment, but also the room and the lab that you made the booking, as well as the date and the time, of course. You have a direct link to that booking page in case you want to see exactly what it is. And then you can also see it on the left side. So if you want to hide or show the bookings next to your meetings, you can also do that. So we hope you enjoy using Clustermarket with Apple Calendar. Any feedback, just let us know. Thank you.